Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with entry number 6 from Alexandra. I have it opened. I'm going to open it up now. Look, she made me some goodies and sent me some goodies. You didn't have to, but thank you. Ooh. Look at that. See, I'm telling you, when you ask people to, I'm so glad I did this red challenge because it makes people step out the box and do things totally different, I think, because we don't usually craft with red. So, except for Valentine's Day and a little bit at Christmas, but sorry about the noise. But what I'm saying is, to do your everyday projects, it's a color that we ignore. But I love how everybody has used it and it has turned out really, really nice. So she has made me a card and it is beautiful. It says sending. I like the die right there, and this is glitter die. She's got a doily back here and some bling and some black paper and these nice flowers. Nice. And it says birthday hugs. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So of course, part of my birthday challenge was to do a birthday card, and so that also, you don't have to, that was an extra point. So the memory decks is what the main thing is. But if you do anything extra, each one of them counts as a point. So she also sent me this, which also happens to be in the color scheme. Couture. Thank you. She's wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you enjoy what I created for you, your friend, Sunshine Alexandra. Thank you so much. So, she sent me this good, oh, look at that. See? Nice, nice. I can always use this. You are the best. And these are some square dots, foam dots that you can use on your projects to add some dimension. And there's two rows of those. Thank you very much. They will go to use. And then this one, she did a top or two again in the same colors, and this is wood veneer, and she actually put it in white, and this is perfect because this will go in my planner. And this, she put hugs up here, so I can always put these into a planner, write my to-do list, grocery list, you know, what I got to accomplish this week, so that can keep me organized. Appreciate that. And then this says beautiful. Oh, this is nice. She made a look. And the material out of it too is nice. It's like a what you call it, leather. And so the paper clip right here. And then of course some bottles. We can always use these, the fine tip bottles, for our glue. So thank you very much. Definitely put those to use. And she's got a nice topper up here too that also matches. Oh look, some winter stamps. And this one says so awesome. You can see that one as well. They could definitely use page flags. Can't get the word. I'm trying to make a new word out of it. So this is a nice stamp set. So this will make some nice borders. These are snowflakes, and I'm sure we're gonna be having some snow soon. We haven't had any today. It's in the 60s, and this is in January. It's like yay! But I know it's just a faux hope. And then she gave me some Kaiser Craft bling in black with some pearl self-adhesive. Definitely can use those as well. And then paper clip with a white flower on top. Definitely can use that. And then she sent me some cut aparts as well. Sorry for the crinkling. So we got some flowers in here that we can use to accent anything. So these are some pretty flowers. Some of them have I don't know if you can see the glitter on it, the shimmer, butterfly, and some more. See, I love frosted shimmer. So definitely can use those in some projects. Appreciate that. And then we have the memory decks. And so check out my video, and my video will tell you how to get your points. So the main thing I was asking for was a memory decks card, and they need to be in certain colors. You can use any combination, one or any combination of them: red, black, white, gray, gold, or silver. Any or all of those colors. That was just what my hope was, and not any holiday theme, because I wanted you to think outside the box. So that was the challenge part. And I will be having a giveaway. Well, I'm going to be giving away a Tim Holtz stamp press and cover, a diamond dots, a couple dies, stamp sets, Boston folder. So all of those goodies. And right now I have the deadline is the 14th, although I've been asked a couple people to see if I can extend it, so I will let you know. So her information is on the back, and I am going to pull that out. So Alexandra, and let's see, she's from Florida, and she's clean and simple like me. Whoops. She like all colors. Favorite holiday is Halloween, and her Instagram, which I want you guys to check out her Instagram. I will link that below. It's Apollonia1017. So she has her information on the back. I'm not going to show you that because her address is there. But this is her memory decks. Look at that. Beautiful. So again, this says sparkle. Oh, I like that dye. I haven't seen that one says sparkle. That is pretty. And again, it's out of sparkly red paper. And I hate the lighting because it's nighttime and in winter time. You just can't get the best lighting. I put my light on and it looks too, so anyway, so this is my memory deck. It has a tab over here. She's got the flowers and she's got the gold leaves and a gold doll in the back. And it says, look on the bright side. Yes, that is good, positive information that we all need to do to try to look on the bright side and also to sparkle. So thank you so much for Alexandra for playing along, and I will get all your points, and everything was in before the 14th. So you also get a point for getting everything in for the memory decks, for the birthday card, and I'm also going to check and see if you put anything on Instagram as well. And you didn't mention a YouTube channel, so I'm taking you don't have one, but I will check your Instagram. If you posted this as well, you get a point for that too. So thank you so much for playing along. I appreciate that, and I hope the rest of you guys play along as well. And I think I'm gonna do this again next year for my birthday, but I'll probably do it a little earlier. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.